Welcome to the world of rocketry. Today we are crafting the core of our adventure, that is the rocket motor. Simply a device which is placed in rockets to provide thrust, that is the force which allows them to move up. The rocket motor is actually made up of two parts, that is the nozzle and the propellant. Now the propellant is made up of sugar and potassium nitrate fertilizer. Now this can be purchased at any fertilizer dealing shop in your area, or you can make it, but that is a video for another time. Now your rocket motor will only take off if the thrust produced by the propellant is greater than the weight of the rocket motor itself. Next, we secure our creation. Now we are going to bury it, not to hide it but to control. A fuse is placed and we are ready for the spark. Now watch closely as we ignite the fuse. Now we measure a feature called the specific impulse. Now this determines how long a rocket can use its fuel before depletion. To do this, you simply just time the rocket from ignition of the fuel to the exhaustion of the fuel. Per my calculation, I got approximately 1.9 seconds. You can also leave yours in the comment. This is our first step into this explosive journey. Right, so stay tuned for more as we build, launch and deploy our rocket. Now please consider liking and sharing the video and also saving it so you don't miss out on the next episode. Thank you.